Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is El Chanel. If this is your first time here, if it isn't, thank you so much for tuning back in with me. So I'm just really showing you all clips of my life. I just merged all of my content together just to make a vlog, just so y'all can see like what a week in my life really looks like. I don't have a set schedule. I'm single with no kids. So I just be doing me, and you finna watch me do me. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get this vlog started. I ain't gonna lie, this little outfit cute. I wonder if they have it in large, because I would get this. This is real cute. Hold on, let me see if they got this in a large. I got it in this color too. Y'all, I just met this girl named Nay at the beauty supply. When I tell you the body oil that she sells smells so good, like I just walked out and I just keep smelling my arm, like it smells so good. She want me to do her makeup. I'm gonna get a body oil that day. She do body scrubs. She told me she sells body butters. Like it smells so good. So yeah, I'm glad I met her. She was super sweet, and yeah, so I'm about to do her makeup, and that's what it's all about. It's all about networking. This is her Instagram right here. So make sure y'all, if you in the Atlanta area, make sure if you into body oils, body butters, scrubs, like I wouldn't lie to you, it smells so good. This is such a hard decision for me because I love this wine. Love this wine. I like the do I like Dunkin' Creek? I think it's Tropical Breeze I love too. But then it's like I just be wanting this. Cause this will get you right. They both really get you right. How many this has? How many? What's the percentage on this? This got 18. But then this got 13. I think I'm gonna do the 18. I'm gonna do the 18 because I need a drink. Hey y'all, so today is Wednesday. Hey, when you don't work every day, you don't even be like you don't be doing the days like that. But anyway, so I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of insight of like what I do on a day-to-day. And right now I am creating a contract for this wedding that I'm doing next year. So she already did her bridal trial or whatever. She loved it. She was super sweet. This is a Nigerian wedding. So a lot of the times Nigerian people have 2-day weddings. So I'm creating a contract for their 2-day wedding. And for all my makeup artists, like if you ever need like to create a contract or just like a contract template, a bridal trial, this one is for, it has like, it's a full just event form, because I didn't want to, I like to have a contract for everything, whether if I'm doing a big party or just an event or photo shoot or whatever. Like I like to have contracts. So I found this contract on Etsy. Let me see if I can show y'all. So I found it on Etsy, and then it transferred over to Canva. So you can like, personalize it and create it. But it always just give you like a, what I'm trying to say is, because I'm reading this, it gives you a template and then you can go ahead and customize it. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I feel like I'm pretty much done. I was trying to see how I could make it make sense, like with the pricing, because I'm doing this wedding with my cousin Jennifer. We tend to do like weddings and like big parties together. So we are doing like a split up of the bridesmaids. So on both days it's gonna be I'm gonna have 2 different numbers of like people. So I'm trying to see how I can make it make sense, but I feel like, you know, with Bisola, her name is Bisola, I love her. She's a wedding planner. She does a lot of like African weddings. She is a wedding planner, and she reached out to me, and she just been kind of like rocking with me ever since she met me. So she's really smart. So I really don't have to think too much into this. She'll figure it out. Like she'll go in and add each person's name on each line and put the total down of how much they're gonna have to pay. So we already went down this, you know, road before. We already did, you know, a 2-day wedding before. So she just fixed it the way that it needed to be fixed, or input the information the way it needs to be input. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna finish up some this TikTok that I'm creating and post that. I want to do my hair and makeup and do another video. I want to do an Amazon favorites video, so I'm gonna add that onto the agenda for the day, because this stuff that I'm doing right here, this is quick. So let me get back to what I'm doing, but I just want to show you what I'm doing, and if any makeup artists need to you know, find a contract template, you can find it on Etsy. Y'all, so I had to come on here and show y'all how my friend Morgan just made my day. I feel so much better because I have not been feeling good for the past maybe like, we going on week 2. Yeah, because today Monday. But anyway, she just made my day. She brought me my birthday gifts. So she been meaning to like get around to it, and guess what she got me? She got me this Dolce & Gabbana perfume, this cupcake Moscato, and this candle that smells so good. Oh my god. It's called Berry Currents by Enchante. Yes, it smells so good. Oh, and it got like little directions and stuff. Okay. But yeah, this is so pretty. It smells so good. I'm keeping it right here because it goes with, like, you know, the decor of my front room. So I'm gonna keep it right here because I usually keep a candle right here. I usually keep like a candle right here. But yeah, this one going right here. Let me show y'all how the bottle looks. Okay, so y'all see how pretty this bottle is? It's so pretty and it smells so good. So this is like the scent description, and it really do smell like this. Candied citrus, orange blossom, and vanilla. Like, it really does smell like that, for real, for real. So she stayed over here for like 30 minutes. And this was her first time in my apartment. So I was like, girl, you gotta come back over here because I'm a cook. Girl, so we can have some wine. But yeah, because I be wanting some company sometimes. Like, I be lonely. But yeah, I really appreciated her company today, and I appreciated the gifts, because I really did want another perfume, and I love candles, and it just is all perfect. So thank you, Morgan. If you see this, you really put a smile on my face today. This is how I use the tripod when I want to create content. I just set it up in front of like a little cute background with my light from Amazon, which will be linked below, and the tripod will be linked below in the description box. And yeah, this is how I create content. This tripod is so needed for any type of content. You could take your own pictures with it. Like, I took some recent pictures with it. What I did was, which my friend had taught me how to do, which was flip my phone when I'm trying to take a full body picture, and it gets a better like shot. So yeah, try to flip your phone. Just flip it upside down, put your light on there, and you're gonna get some good pictures. So yeah, get that little remote, start flicking it up.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me, yeah. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop.
So I just want to show y'all real quick how it looks once we have glammed the whole cast. We be moving fast. We be trying to hurry up, and because we don't get that much time on set to do glam. Right here is Lucille. She's working on one of the actresses. She did a beautiful job. That's my girl. Love her. And then right here, I just want to show y'all like what our lunch was. We had meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and string beans. The string beans was a no. Everything else was, you know, what it was. It was decent. Okay, y'all, so this finna be a little reverse because I didn't tell y'all what I was finna do. I'm finna go get my hair braided down, well, washed and braided down. I like to go to the Elaine Sterling Institute. It's a hair school, just because I just honestly feel like you get great service and you do not have to pay a lot of money. I just don't feel like I want to pay no $50 for a wash and a braid down, and I feel like that's the number that when I like would try to like ask around, like how much is it, you know, if you shampooed and braided my hair down. $50. Girl, no. Girl, no. So anyway, it's time for my appointment, so I just found a parking spot. If you want to find them, it's located in Lenox Mall, so that's what we finna do. It's crazy that I just keep seeing my dream car, my G-Wagon. It's just crazy. I feel like it's the reason why I keep seeing my dream car, you know, like I think it's just a reason. I'm gonna just keep manifesting it. It's mine. It's mine. I'm gonna speak it.
Yeah, it's all I want us to be. Oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you wanted to. So come on, stop running. I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me. When you need.
So I don't know if y'all seen that pasta that's on TikTok. It's like the Caesar salad pasta. That's what I'm about to make. So I got this bag of Caesar salad, and I'm gonna get probably like some tomatoes. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. Okay, y'all, I think I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I think I want this. 2 fish, the seafood boil, all shrimp. It has red potatoes. It has the sauce, and then it has corn. I think I might just get some sausage and call it a day. I think this is gonna be dinner. Yep, this is it. I can put this back. Cause who really eats shrimp for a snack and then shrimp for dinner? Only me, only me. I just had to come on here and show y'all my hair real quick. Hair by Honey. Bust down middle part. 22 inches. With a few tracks added in the wig. I just did it myself. I had to do my hair because it was just, I just wasn't feeling good. Like I needed my hair done. So I did it myself. So I'm finna eat this food and watch a movie. I feel better now. Just so much better. Y'all, can y'all see my best friend? Look at this. Okay, so she's Beetlejuice by Halloween. The makeup details is fire. Wow. That's cute. Okay. Oh yeah, okay y'all, so I just got done glamming my client Shanika, and this is the final look. Super pretty. All right, so y'all, she's actually a real estate agent in Florida, so I just want to give y'all, you know, a good realtor, a good black woman realtor.
Thank you, an exceptional one at that. I look forward to assisting you guys when you are ready, and even if you're not selling or purchasing in the state of Florida, I can connect you with amazing referral partners across all 50 states and internationally.
All right, and what's your Instagram?
So my real estate Instagram is Shanika Real Estate. That is CHANIKAREALESTATE. And my influencing page is Shanika_Charles. That is CHANIKA_CHARLES, where you can find all things lifestyle, fashion related. But if you want all things real estate, go ahead and go to my real estate page.
All right, y'all.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so y'all had to show y'all this quick birthday glam, photo shoot glam. You get the rhinestones. Super cute.
Looks so good. Okay. Wow. Skin.
Yes, the skin is, and you take really good care of your skin also, so that helps.
Yes, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, looks good. Okay.
Do you want the eyeliner under?
Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I mean, the mascara helps, but yeah, you can go for it. Okay. I don't think we have to do, if you don't want to do.
This is my beautiful client, Jasmine. Today, she's doing headshots for her branding shoot. Make sure you go follow her for all your business coaching. What's your Instagram?
At Jasmine Janae, JAZMINJNEE.
All right. Let's see. Why is it so bright? Hold on. What's crazy is